Today on your reading assignment, you are going to be reading The Closet Creature by Kelly Hashway. While reading your passage, you will implement the reading strategy that I have taught you by using Unwrap. Before you begin using Unwrap, you are always going to look at the title and make a prediction. Remember that a prediction is an educated guess about what the article is about. So the closet creature. In my mind, I would say that I think maybe it's about a monster. So you will write your prediction word. Not doing it very well. Your prediction word right beside your title. Ladies and gentlemen, my handwriting is like a 4-year-old. That would say monster, okay? All right. So as you look at your story, you are going to underline the title. So you will take your pencil and you will underline The Closet Creature. Your next step in Unwrap is to number the paragraphs. Now, because this story here has a lot of dialogue, I ask that you please count 4 sentences and then you can number it. So here you have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I am going to draw a big bracket right there, and I will put a number 1. You will do that all the way down your reading passage by 4 sentences each. Now, we are going to walk through the question. Giving me a moment, I'm going to go ahead and erase so that I can show you clearly at the second part of the paper. Giving me 1 moment, please. You're doing a really great job on paying attention and listening. I'm going to try and scroll down to the next page. Giving me 1 moment, please. One more page down. All right, so now we're going to jump back to walking through the question. What I'd like for you to do during each question is to box or circle 2 keywords that tell you what the question is asking. For example, number 1, what happened right after David went into Adam's room? I think that the 2 words would be happened, because we're looking for something that happened. And I think maybe we could circle the word went, because those 2 keywords right there are going to help me answer my question. And then you will go on to number 2 and do the same thing, finding 2 keywords that help you pick out what it is asking you to do. Now, going to R. The letter R in Unwrap is to read the passage. So therefore, you go back up to your story and you will read your passage all the way through. You're now at the letter A in Unwrap, so you will answer the question. So I will ask that you please mark out 2 answers that are not correct at all. A, Adam jumped into David's head. Well, that is not right, because that's not what happened when he went right into Adam's room. David grabbed a flashlight from his desk drawer. No, he didn't do that after he went into the room. So I would cross this out. So now I have C or D as my options to choose as a correct answer. Adam awoke to strange sounds coming from his bedroom closet. Maybe. D, David heard the noise coming from Adam's closet. Oh, that is absolutely right, because I remember when I went back into my story, it says right there, "Who's there?" Adam asked in a shaky voice. The closet slowly began to open. Adam jumped out of the bed and ran to the closet door, slamming it shut with his palms. I think that is a very strong answer. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to take D as my answer choice. So I have answered my question. And then when it says to prove your answer, You are going to write a complete sentence by saying that D is correct because, and then you will complete your sentence. For example, D is correct because he heard a sound in the room, period. I would write that here on this line that you're going to draw. So I would put the letter D, and then I would write the word, and then I'm going to provide a blank here in just a moment on this document where you will complete and fill in the sentence. Once again, I will put in a blank where you will put the answer. You will then complete the sentence after the word because. Ladies and gentlemen, with that said, that is how you use Unwrap. Please make sure that you review the video before explaining Unwrap and then apply it into your assignment for the day. Remember to do your best and continue asking questions if you need to. Thank you.